This lip combo can be achieved using simple everyday lip shades. I started off by lining the lips. I simply picked up my brown lip liner. It's important to use a dark lip liner to line the lips. You can see that I overlined the lips just a little bit because I wanted to give it an overdrawn illusion. Her lips are quite small and I wanted to give it a fuller look. Be very generous with your pencil. Make sure to fill in really nice. Fill till you are satisfied with your desired result. Use a nude shade of your choice and blend into the lip nicely. At this point, you will notice that the lip looks too bland. Trust the process. Just trust the process. Here I'm making sure that I'm building the lip color gradually. I've applied the nude shade and I'm then going to apply a second color on top of that to give it a different tone. And so I'm applying a baby pink lipstick in the center of the lip, and I'm going to blend as I mentioned. Then go over that shade with your clear gloss. As you can see, what I'm doing, I'm applying a clear gloss over that. I'm just going to keep blending the clear gloss over the lip and on top of the liner, also to smoothen it and to reduce the harsh line. At this point, I noticed that the lip would benefit from an added pink shade, and this is what I'm doing. I added some more to give the lip more definition, and that's why I mentioned that you should trust the process. You can see how luxurious the lips look at this point, which is why it's important to start building your lip color gradually. Start with a nude shade and then lightly build up. This lip combo is perfect for a party look, a bridal look, a photo shoot,